Welcome to the live KNX platform. My name is Chris Spangs and I am the CEO of Building Automation Intelligence. We are a certified KNX training centre and we have lots of experience with KNX projects gained during our 15 years as employees of Schneider Electric. The live KNX platform is a unique, innovative online platform for KNX training with real KNX products. You will see how it works and explore its functions. The user will be able to have all the functions present in the demo. They will be able to press the programming button and monitor its programming lead in order both to download and unload individual addresses and application programs into them and to use diagnostic tools. They'll be able to press the push button of physical KNX push buttons, and they'll also be able to trigger physical KNX sensors like weather station and door-window magnetic contacts. The KNX Live Platform has been granted a patent. The platform consists of a KNX power supply, a line coupler, a USB port, a switch actuator, a dimmer actuator, a blind heating actuator, a weather station, a KNX push-button 2-gang, a KNX push-button 2-gang with thermostat, and a DALI interface. The platform includes 2 lamps and some colour LEDs. The left lamp is connected to the switch actuator and the right lamp is connected to the dimmer actuator. The 2 green LEDs are connected to the blind actuator, while the upper LEDs in the demo are connected to the fan and heating actuator. I have already created a KNX project in ETS, which I'm going to show you. The home is on the first floor and consists of a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom and a bathroom. In the main cabinet, in which there are 3 actuators, and in the living room, there are the white KNX 2-gang push button, a KNX push button 2-gang radio frequency, and the black KNX 2-gang push button with thermostat. All the devices are already parameterized and the group addresses are assigned to the recording group objects of the devices. The project has the following functions. The user will be able to turn on the lamp in the bar by pressing push button 1 and turn it off by pressing push button 2. Moreover, the user will be able to switch on the lamp in the living room with a short press of push button 3 and switch it off with a short press of push button 4. With a long 1-second press of push buttons 3 and 4, the lamp will be dimmed up and down. I am going to download the individual address and the program in each KNX device. Starting from the individual address, select the switch actuator 1.1.1 and then select Download Individual Address from the Download menu. After you have selected the Download Individual Address option, ETS checks whether the device already exists on the bus and then asks you to press the programming button. Then press the programming button of the KNX switch actuator with the mouse in the same way as if you were in front of the demo using a screwdriver. The programming LED of the KNX switch actuator is on and the download function is starting. After 20 to 30 seconds, the procedure is nearly complete. The last step is to download the application program into the switch actuator. Thereafter, the download of the program can be started by clicking on the menu icon Download or via the right mouse button and clicking on Download. The current progress of the download can be tracked using the text and status bar. Once the individual address and the application have been loaded, ETS indicates the download status with the corresponding entries in the column address, program, parameters, group addresses and configuration. I follow the same procedure for the dimmer actuator 1.1.2 and the rest of the devices. I have now downloaded the individual addresses and the application programs to all KNX devices. Now I'm going to check if the program is correct by testing one of its functions. Let's check the dimming function. I press push button 3 with my mouse. The lamp in the living room is on at maximum brightness. I can see that the status feedback LEDs of push buttons 3 and 4 are on. Red is visible. Now I press push button 4 with my mouse. The lamp is off. I can see that the status feedback LEDs of push buttons 3 and 4 are off. Now I will check the long operation of the button. I give a long press, 1 second, to push button 3 with my mouse. The lamp in the living room dims up until I release the button. Now I give a long 1 second press to push button 4 with my mouse and I can see that the lamp dims down until I release the button. Last, I give a short press to push button 4 in order to switch off the lamp in the living room. Next, I'm going to show you one more feature of the innovative KNX Live platform, the diagnostic tool. I select the menu Diagnostics Group Monitoring and hit the Start button. I press push button 1 with my mouse in order to switch on the lamp in the bar. The ETS program shows some significant information of the sending group object about the recorded telegrams in the form of a table. The diagnostics function, Group Monitoring, also offers the possibility to overwrite the current status of a group object. A group address can be entered in the field Group Address or by selecting the symbol from the list of existing group addresses in the current project. The window also allows setting the data point type as well as the value of the useful data. I select L1 on/off and then set the value disabled to enable the group object. Once the telegram has been sent, ETS shows the sent telegram and possible response telegrams in the list field. The lamp in the bar is off. The programming mode searches for KNX devices which are in programming mode. If the programming LED of one or several devices has been switched on after selecting the button Start, the corresponding individual address or addresses appear in the selection window under Devices in Programming Mode. The ETS program continually checks which devices are in programming mode. I press the programming button of the switch actuator 1.1.1 with my mouse in order to select the device in programming mode. The programming LED is on and the ETS shows the individual address 1.1.1. I press again the programming button of the switch actuator and the device is no longer in programming mode. I can do the same with the rest of the devices. Lastly, please watch a presentation for the KNX Live Platform for Products training. The following platform includes only Schneider Electric products. There are more platforms for other manufacturers of KNX products like ABB, Siemens, etc. The user will have the same functions as in the previous platform and will additionally be able to trigger movement presence detectors, brightness and wind speed sensors of a weather station, and magnetic contacts. The platform comprises bus power supply module 29 volt DC, as well as a 2412 channel switch blind actuator, a 2-channel blind actuator, a 4-channel 250 watt dimmer actuator, a heating actuator, a 4-channel binary input 10 volt, a fan coil actuator, a 4-channel switch actuator with current detection, a logic module, 4 white push buttons 4-gang, 2 push buttons 4-gang with temperature room controller, a weather station, a movement detector, a presence detector with light control, a DALI interface and a home link. The user can select between a basic training package, an advanced training package for the products above, or use the platform for their own projects. This is the end of the KNX Live Platform video. For more details, please visit our website knxlive.com for information about the courses. If you wish, send us an email or log in to the site to be sent the first exercise in simulation mode. Invest in yourself and get trained and certified as a KNX partner in the unique KNX Live platform. Thanks for your attention.